Regretting buying a home is way more common than you think, especially when the reality of homeownership hits harder than expected. So, here's the deal: if you're feeling stuck after buying a place for $600,000 and hating it already, first, don't panic. Try listing out what exactly is driving you nuts, like the long commute, maintenance headaches, or the unexpected costs. Then, think about your budget honestly. How much can you really afford to lose if you sell now? A solid move is to get a rental management company involved if you want to rent it out, but dread dealing with tenants or repairs yourself. They handle everything from finding renters to fixing leaks, which can save your sanity. Also, shop around for rentals downtown to see what's out there. Sometimes the extra rent cost is worth the convenience and peace of mind. If you do rent it out, be realistic about cash flow. You might have to put in some money monthly to break even after management fees and upkeep. Lastly, talk with a real estate agent who knows your market well to get a clear picture of how much value your home might lose or gain over time. One of the biggest mistakes people make after buying a home they regret is rushing into selling without exploring rental options, which leads to unnecessary losses. Another is underestimating the true cost of home maintenance and property management, which kills savings and mood alike. The third common issue is ignoring the stress factor. Driving 30 minutes every day can seriously drain you, so factoring lifestyle changes into your decision is crucial. Fix these by taking a breath, getting professional advice on renting versus selling, and being honest about what you want out of your living situation. Rental companies can take a ton off your plate, making it easier to keep the house as an investment without turning into a full-time landlord. Also, don't forget to factor in commute times and personal happiness. They matter way more than just dollars. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome if you're looking for reliable local contractors who get the job done right without hassle. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a great way to connect with homeowners ready to start their next big project.